Imagine being the person who can make things work faster, better, and with less waste in your company. That's what Lean Six Sigma can help you do. Whether you're looking for a promotion or just want to make a bigger impact, this certification is the key. In this video, we'll learn what Lean Six Sigma is, help you choose the right certification, and show how it can boost your career. So before we deep dive, there is a quick quiz question for you. So the question is, which of the following is the main goal of Lean Six Sigma? And your options are A. Increase marketing campaigns, B. Reduce waste and improve quality, C. Hire more employees, and D. Increase product prices. And let's see who will guess the right answer first. So now let's look at the agenda of our today's video. In this video, we'll start with a simple introduction to Lean Six Sigma certification, including the key differences between Lean and Six Sigma, and how they work together to improve processes. Then we'll break down the belt system into yellow, green, black, and master black belt, and help you understand which level is right for you. Next, we'll guide you in choosing the right certification path based upon your career goals and industry expectations. After that, we'll discuss what to expect in the exam, including the format and the important topics to focus on. We'll also cover essential tools like DMAIC, SIPOC, and fishbone diagrams, and see how they solve real-world business problems. Finally, we'll explore the career benefits, common mistakes to avoid, and a simple 30, 60, 90-day roadmap to help you succeed in your Lean Six Sigma certification journey. So before we deep dive, if you want to boost your career in quality management, then have a look at Simplilearn's professional certificate program in Lean Six Sigma in partnership with Virginia Tech. It is designed to equip you with practical skills and advanced tools to lead improvement projects. Benefits from 17 plus hands-on projects, 18 simulation exams, and 3 Harvard case studies. Plus, you will gain exclusive insights from industry leaders like KPMG. So enroll now with Simplilearn to start your journey towards becoming a Lean Six Sigma expert. So now let's get started and unlock your potential. So what exactly is Lean Six Sigma? Let's understand this step by step. Lean and Six Sigma are two powerful methods used to improve business processes, but they focus on different problems. So, Lean is all about removing waste. Waste means anything that does not add value to the customer, like unnecessary steps, waiting time, extra movement, overproduction, or delays. The goal of Lean is to make processes faster, smoother, and more efficient. On the other hand, Six Sigma focuses on quality. It uses data and statistics to find errors, defects, and variations in the process. The main goal of Six Sigma is to reduce mistakes and make the output as accurate and as consistent as possible. Combining Lean and Six Sigma improves efficiency and quality by streamlining processes and reducing waste and errors. It makes processes faster and smoother while enhancing customer satisfaction. Ultimately, this approach boosts overall performance, ensuring businesses operate more effectively and deliver high-quality results. So, which one do you think would benefit your work more? It's improving efficiency or reducing defects? Let me know the answers in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the Lean Six Sigma belt system. You can think of it like a learning journey, similar to martial arts. As you gain more knowledge, experience, and practical skills, you move to a higher belt level. And with every higher belt, your responsibility and impact also increases. So, now let's understand each level clearly. Yellow belt is the beginner level. This is where most people start. At this stage, you learn the basic concepts of Lean Six Sigma, understand how processes work, and support improvement projects. Yellow belts usually assist teams by collecting data, participating in discussions, and helping identify simple problems. Next comes the green belt. This is the intermediate level. Green belt don't just support projects, they lead them. They work on process improvement initiatives within their department or team. They use tools like DMAIC to solve complex problems and drive measurable results. Then we have the black belt. This is the advanced level. Black belts handle more complex and high-impact projects. They lead cross-functional teams, analyze data deeply, that can affect the entire organization. Finally, the master belt. This is the highest level of expertise. Master Black Belt don't just manage projects, they mentor Black Belts, design organizational strategies, and ensure that Lean Six Sigma is aligned with business goals at the leadership level. So as you move from yellow to Master Black Belt, your role evolves from supporting projects to leading teams and shaping strategies. If you want to take your Lean Six Sigma skills to the next level, then Simplilearn's Lean Six Sigma Belt certification is designed for you. Analysis to project management. With 4 simulations, live projects, and 36 hours of instructor-led training, you will gain the expertise to drive organizational change. Join Simplilearn today and become a certified Black Belt expert in quality management. Now comes an important question. How do you decide which Lean Six Sigma certification is right for you? Should you begin with a yellow belt or can directly go for the green belt? Let's understand this clearly. If you are completely new into process improvement, or if you simply want to understand the basic fundamentals of Lean Six Sigma, then the yellow belt is the right starting point. It gives you a strong foundation and help you support improvement projects confidently. Now let's talk about the green belt. The green belt is ideal if you are already having some work experience and want to take ownerships of the projects. At this level, you don't just support, you lead improvement initiatives within your team or department. You apply tools, analyze data, identify root causes, and drive measurable results. This certification is great for professionals who want to move into leadership roles, operation management, or process improvement positions. So here's how you should think about it. Look at your career goals. If your goal is to understand the basics and gradually grow, start with yellow belt. But if you want to manage projects, improve business performance, and position yourself for leadership roles, so here we have a certification to help you master effectively and drive quality in your projects. Our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification offers hands-on training to equip you with the skills needed to lead process improvement initiatives. You will learn key Six Sigma methodologies like DMAIC, applied data analysis techniques, and boost your career with 4 simulations and live projects. Plus, you'll get exclusive masterclasses on using generative AI for quality management. So enroll now and become a certified expert in process improvement. Now let's talk about the exam. Don't worry, it is not difficult as it sounds. The difficulty increases with each belt level. But with proper preparation, it's manageable, I swear. The yellow belt exam focuses mainly on fundamentals. You will be tested on basic Lean Six Sigma concepts, terminologies, and overall understanding of process improvement. The green belt exam goes deeper. Here you are expected to understand tools like DMAIC, data analysis techniques, and structured problem solving. You'll need to know how to apply concepts, not just define them. The black belt exam is more advanced. It often includes case-based questions and real-world scenarios. At this level, you must demonstrate strong analytical thinking and ability to lead complex improvement projects. The key to success at any level is mastering the core tools, especially DMAIC, SIPOC, and fishbone diagrams. Don't just memorize them, understand how and when to use them. Now let's talk about the tools. Lean Six Sigma is not just theory. It's about using practical tools to solve real-world business problems. First, we have DMAIC. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This is a step-by-step problem-solving method. You will define the problem, measure performance, analyze the root cause, improve the process, and then control it to sustain the results. Next is SIPOC, a high-level process mapping tool that helps you understand the overall process by identifying suppliers, inputs, the process, outputs, and customers. Then comes the fishbone diagram, used for root cause analysis. It helps you identify all possible reasons behind a problem instead of making assumptions. For example, if a product line is delayed, you can use a fishbone diagram to check whether the issue is supply-related, machine-related, or due to manpower planning. That's the power of Lean Six Sigma. Structured tools that led to real solutions. Now let's talk about something everyone cares about: career growth. Where should you invest your time and efforts in Lean Six Sigma certification? First, let's talk about the salary part. Professionals with Lean Six Sigma certification often earn more than their non-certified peers. On average, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certified professionals can earn between $70,000 to $1,00,000 annually, depending on their experience and industries, of course. Why is this? Because organizations highly value people who can improve processes, reduce cost, and increase efficiency. Help a company save money and boost performance, your value automatically increases, leading to higher salary potential. Now let's talk about the career opportunities. Lean Six Sigma skills are in demand across multiple industries, whether it's manufacturing, healthcare, finance, logistics, or even service-based. Almost every organization wants to improve the quality, efficiency, and certified professionals are trusted to lead that change. Let me give you a simple example to explain this. Let's suppose John earned his Green Belt certification while working in a junior operations role. After applying what he learned and leading improvement projects, he was promoted to a project manager position. That's the real impact of Lean Six Sigma certification. It's not just a certificate, it's career growth, high responsibilities, and better opportunities. Before you move forward, let's quickly discuss some common mistakes you should avoid. First, choosing the wrong belt level. Don't rush into a black belt just because it sounds impressive. If you are new, start with yellow or green belt and build a strong foundation first. Second, ignoring the practical application. Lean Six Sigma is not just theory. Make sure you apply what you learn to real projects. That's where true learning happens. Now the third mistake is picking a low quality training provider. Not all certifications are equal. Choose a recognized program that offers structured learning and hands-on experience. So you can take a look at Simplilearn's Lean Six Sigma Expert certification. Master advanced tools and methodologies to lead high-impact process optimization projects. This program covers both green and black belt certification content, giving you the skills to drive operational efficiency and improve quality management. With real-world projects, 40 hours of live training, and 114 plus PDUs, you will be ready to tackle any challenge and advance your career in quality management. So enroll now with Simplilearn to start your transformation. Finally, let me share a simple roadmap to help you stay on the track. Start by creating a simple 30, 60, 90-day plan. Break your preparation into small, manageable goals. First, understand the concepts, then practice the tools, and finally work on the real examples for projects. Next, stay consistent and motivated. Lean Six Sigma is about continuous improvement, so apply what you learn in your daily work. Small improvements every day makes a huge difference. And most importantly, showcase your certification. Update your resume, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and highlight the projects you have worked upon. Employers value professionals who can demonstrate real impact. Remember, certification is not the end. It's the beginning of stronger career growth and bigger opportunities. So now you have everything you need to get started with Lean Six Sigma certification: the roadmap, the tools, and the career benefits. Start today, build your skills, and position yourself as a professional who drives real impact. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Simplilearn for more such tech insights. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with Simplilearn.